Hey WalletHubbers! Today we're talking about whether extended car warranties are worth it. There are 4 main circumstances when an extended car warranty is worth the upfront cost. First, an extended car warranty is worth it when the manufacturer's warranty on your vehicle has expired or will expire soon. Typically, this happens after 3 years or 36,000 miles, whichever comes first. Next, it may be worth it if you're concerned about your ability to pay for major mechanical repairs in the future. For instance, if you do not have a large enough emergency fund to afford potential repairs out of pocket, a warranty could be helpful. You might also want an extended warranty if your car is worth a lot of money. If the cost of the warranty is a small percentage of the value of your vehicle, then it is worth paying the relatively small cost to protect your vehicle. Finally, an extended warranty is worth it if your car isn't very reliable, but is still worth repairing when it breaks down. Now that you know a little more about when extended car warranties are worth it, you may be considering purchasing one. You can check out WalletHub's picks for the best extended car warranties by clicking the button here.